Today in this video, I am going to review not a perfume oil, but a perfume spray for your room. So it is basically a room spray by Amouage, and this is the box, Amouage Eternal Oud. So actually I blind bought this one, and there was a seller in a group and I actually purchased this one. I'm going to purchase some more, but I thought that I should share it with you and tell you how it actually smells like, and how I actually found this one. So this is the box, and if you try to open it from the top, so this comes out like this, and then we have very nice bottle. Inside is a bit dark bluish kind of interior, and then we have this bottle. This is a very nice golden, you can see golden sparkling golden kind of juice, and this is the logo at the top over here, Amouage Eternal Oud. So how it actually smells. Okay, so it smells really rich, that you are a really rich family. So if you go into very you can say very modern kind of stores in Arab countries, or very elegant or rich kind of atmosphere, very big malls, you will get this kind of smell from there. So how many sprays? So I think that maximum for a small bedroom, 2 or 3 sprays are maximum, and it is going to stay there for at least 5 to 6 hours. So whenever you are going to come out of the room and then enter it again, you will smell this this ambery kind of smell. So how it actually smells, I'm going to tell you in detail. It doesn't have oud too much. It has a little bit of spices and then a very prominent amber note. So I don't like amber too much, but still it is a very nice smelling room spray for me. I actually don't like when I first spray it. After some time, maybe 1 or 2 hours, I enjoy the smell. It is very rich, that you belong to a rich family, very posh kind of feeling from it. If you are, or if you like amber or these kind of smells, this is very different, a bit spicy or oriental side. Then it has some amber and oud. I don't detect much of oud over here. Maybe they have just used the name oud just maybe for the purpose of advertisement or something like that. This is called Eternal Oud. So it is going to make your room feel very rich, that you belong to a rich family, very elegant, very sophisticated. These are the words that are going to come to me when I smell this spray from my room. So that is all about Amouage Eternal Oud. They have a full line of room sprays. I will try to buy another one which is Oriental Oud, because I didn't enjoy this one too much. So for me, the amber note is a turn off, because I don't like amber note. So if you are a beginner in perfumery, or you are trying to struggle to find the best perfume, try to learn what are the notes or the smells you don't like. So try to buy a perfume and try to select room sprays or perfumes or oils that don't have your the note that you don't like. So if you hate something or hate some smell, some people don't like rose, it is a headache for them. Some people don't like jasmine, some people don't like very high amber kind of vibe, some people don't like ambergris. So these are different things. Try to find the prominent note. So that is why I told you that it has a very prominent amber note, because sometimes if you don't like amber, you might get a headache. So that is all very nice, rich smelling. If you have any suggestions or any comments for the next video, I will try to make it that kind of video, because I'm not very expert. I try to derail here and there, but still I try to keep the focus to give you the better version of this any perfume or any smell or any scent I test on myself or my room or my atmosphere. So that is all about Scent Explorer. I actually sample a lot, but sometimes you have to blind buy. So that is all about this Eternal Oud Room Spray by Amouage. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you soon in another video with a new scent. Till then, take care and bye.